morning, Bumblebeesies. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday, you guys. It's 11 o'clock. Kids are here. They're watching this new movie on Netflix. Oh, it's not new. Never mind, it's not new. It's a Sabrina Carpenter movie. What is it called? Work It? Have you guys seen it? I never heard of it, but yeah. They're watching that. I'm actually gonna cook some lunch right now. I have this beautiful upo. I don't know what you call this in English. I think it's like a... What do you call this in English? I don't know. Maybe if I remember, I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, I'm gonna cook this ginisang upo. It's a Filipino dish with tomato, onion, garlic, ground beef. Sometimes I use ground pork or ground beef. Today I just have ground beef, so we're gonna use that. So we can have this for lunch. And that's about it. I don't think I have anything else to update you guys on. Oh, look, this pajama is so old, but I ripped a hole in it this morning. Anyways, that's just, yeah, anyways. So let's get started, you guys. Let's cook some lunch.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise. Oh, there's so many things that I wanna do. Do you? Can you visualize? It's hard to say all the things I won't do, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I won't do. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. All that time. Oh, you get what I'm trying to say, 'cause to you I'm an open book. Oh, take your time and read me slowly, baby. Got the hungry look. But it's hard to say all the things I want to, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I want to. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. Yeah. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. Yeah, yeah. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la.
Ginisang upo is cooked. I was worried that I wasn't gonna be able to stir it in this pan, but it does shrink down, so it worked out. So that's ready. And then if anyone wants rice, the rice just finished cooking. You guys, this rice cooker, I love it. It's so good. It's the Zoji Rushi. It's like seriously the best rice cooker I've ever had. These two are playing catch on the stairs.
Well, I'm trying to do it.
He's on lunch break. How did you like the ginisang upo?
Getting what, upo? That was very good.
You liked it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
very much.
Vanessa's is over there. You guys are not gonna swim today?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah.
It would just be me again.
Yeah, I know, but are you going to the pool?
You got a good think.
The weather looks nice.
She asked if you're going to the pool.
Are you going to the boom?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Okay, we're at the pool. It's just him today again, because you know, just that time.
Okay, never mind.
Yeah, he's just by himself. He forgot to bring his floaty. He wanted to, but he forgot.
know. I only have this one ball. What am I supposed to do?
So yeah,
Ooh. Are you getting this? Are you getting this?
yeah. How come you're good all of a sudden without me? Okay, yeah, bye. Yeah. Oh. Try again.
Okay.
Ow!
What
My
happened?
gosh, my foot.
You're gonna have to get it.
Whatever.
We are at Target. We actually ran out of hangers, so we needed to come and get some hangers. And then I think I need Motrin, and that's it, huh? Just the two things. Oh my gosh, look at that crib. It's so pretty. I like the color. You want to look at the toys? What the? Nope for President game?
Wow.
Wow. Leslie Nope.
Bad politics.
Yeah, we can go more down so you can
I like that.
You might have some of your gold brands, no?
Oh yeah, your gold mini brands, yeah.
I told you we needed a cart.
Yeah, I told Alfredo that we didn't need a cart, but looks like we might need
He
one.
said no. But
No,
it's
because
really
if we get a if we get a cart, we're gonna fill it up. We don't need a cart. We're only buying 3 things, and Alfredo can carry everything. Right, babe? I'm just kidding, you guys. I'm just kidding. We're all holding one thing. I have the hangers. We are back home. It's 7:30. I made dinner. This is done. I'm gonna turn it off. I made beef steak for dinner, you guys. So yummy. I got a package, you guys. I got a package from my friend Angie. From San Diego. Oh, it's really sticky. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look, you guys, it matches our plates. Thank you. It's an oven mitt with kitchen towels. Look, babe. It's so cute, huh? Thank you. I love it.
Hello, my name is Stuven. My name is Stuven, and yeah, look at me go, dropping the beats. Yeah.
Cut.
What's wrong?
That was terrible.
You told me to freestyle, I freestyle.
Yeah, if you're gonna freestyle, don't make it all say, hello, my name is Stuven. Say some other stuff, say some facts. Okay.
Okay.
Take 2. And action.
Hello, my name is Stuven. I am Stuven. I like to live in the bush and go to the trees, hang out with my friends, and go pee.
Cut.
What? It's good.
You like to go pee? You're gonna put that in your song.
Who doesn't? It's natural.
Let's just go back to the hello, my name is Stuven.
Okay.
Okay, take 3. And action.
Hello, my name.
I think we got it. Cut. And double whammy.